When people talk about buying property in Australia, most focus on the purchase price and the deposit. But for many buyers, the biggest surprise comes after that. The real cost of buying property is often much higher than expected, and it isn't always obvious up front. In this video, we'll walk through the hidden and often overlooked costs of buying property in Australia so you can plan properly and reduce the risk of financial stress later. Let's start with stamp duty. This is usually the largest hidden cost. Depending on the state and the property price, stamp duty can easily add tens of thousands of dollars to your purchase. Many buyers save hard for a deposit, only to discover they also need a significant additional amount for stamp duty, which is payable shortly after purchase. Some first home buyers may qualify for concessions or exemptions, but these depend on price thresholds and eligibility rules. If you purchase just above a threshold, those benefits can disappear quickly. That's why understanding stamp duty early in the process is critical. Next are legal and conveyancing fees. These cover the legal work required to transfer ownership of the property. While smaller than stamp duty, they are unavoidable and still need to be budgeted for. Trying to cut corners on legal advice to save money can lead to far more expensive issues later. Building and pest inspections are another cost many buyers underestimate. These inspections can uncover structural problems, water damage, or pest issues before you commit to the purchase. Some buyers skip inspections to move faster in competitive markets, but this can be a costly mistake if serious problems appear after settlement. If you're enjoying this, hit like to help more people find this video. Then there are loan-related costs. Lenders may charge application fees, valuation fees, or settlement fees. Even loans advertised as having low or no fees can still include costs built into the process. Lenders' mortgage insurance is another major expense for buyers with smaller deposits. This can add thousands of dollars to your loan and offers no direct benefit to you as the borrower. Ongoing ownership costs also catch many buyers off guard. Council rates, water rates, strata fees for apartments or townhouses, and insurance all start from day one. These expenses exist regardless of whether property prices rise or fall. Maintenance and repairs are another reality of ownership. Even new homes require ongoing upkeep, while older properties may need repairs sooner than expected. Small costs can appear regularly, and over time they can have a noticeable impact on cash flow. For investors, there are additional costs to consider. Property management fees, leasing fees, advertising, and periods of vacancy all reduce rental income. Even a well-located property can sit vacant between tenants, and those gaps still need to be funded. Tax is another area that often surprises buyers. While deductions may be available for investors, not all expenses are deductible, and tax benefits are rarely immediate. Relying on future tax refunds to make a property affordable can be risky if circumstances change. Interest rate changes also play a major role. A mortgage that feels manageable at today's rate may become challenging if rates rise. Many buyers focus on current repayments instead of stress testing their budget for higher interest rates. So what's the takeaway? The purchase price is only part of the story. The true cost of buying property includes upfront costs, ongoing expenses, and the financial buffer needed to handle the unexpected. Before buying, it's important to run the numbers carefully, build a buffer, ask questions, understand every cost involved, not just the ones advertised. Speaking with a mortgage broker, conveyancer, or financial advisor can help uncover costs you may not have considered. Buying property can still be a strong long-term decision, but only when it's made with clear expectations. The buyers who struggle most are often those who underestimate the total cost. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more property insights.